this video, I'm going to show you how you can create videos using AI, which is absolutely free. You can create unlimited videos of high quality and having no watermarks. Without further ado, let's dive into it. First step is to write script. For that, we are going to take help of ChatGPT here. First of all, open ChatGPT. I'm going to ask ChatGPT to write the story of Hare and Tortoise with a new twist. And here's the story in front of us. I'm going to ask ChatGPT to break the script into well-defined scenes with image prompts that ensure character consistency. So here is our story divided into different scenes. Scene 1, the challenge is set. Scene 2, the race begins. In this way, we have 6 scenes in front of us. After completing our first step, our next step is to convert script into video. For that, we are going to use Meta AI here. Just write Meta AI, click on the first option. You have to log in with your Facebook or Instagram account here. Just copy our first scene and paste it here. You can see Meta AI has generated 4 images in front of us. Just under it, you have to click on animate here. So here you can see our small video is ready. If you don't like these animated images, you can regenerate it from here. Just click on the video you like. As you can see, very good quality of video you can generate from here, which is absolutely free. Just click on the 3 dots and click on download. Now copy your second scene and paste it here. Repeat the same thing, click on animate and choose your desired video. Simply click on the 3 dots and download the video. In this way, convert all the scenes into videos. So I have converted all my scenes into videos from here. So after completing our second step, our third step is to generate audio of script. For that, we are going to use 11 Labs here. Open new tab and write 11labs.io. Get started free. Click on text to speech. Just copy the story from here and paste it here. Click on generate speech. Here is the AI voice in front of us.
In the lush green meadows of Willow Woods, a grand race was about to take place. The contestants, the ever-speed...
This is AI voice generated audio. You can easily download this audio from here. After completing our third step, it's time to move to fourth step, which is merge audio and videos to create a single video. You can use any video editor here. I'm going to use Microsoft Clipchamp here. So this is the interface. Click on import media, browse files, select your audio and videos which we have downloaded. Now we have to drag our audio here and we have to drag our video here one by one. As you can see, there is a watermark Meta AI, and I have told you earlier in our final video there will be no watermark. What we are going to do is just click here, fill, and it will remove the watermark. It will expand our video. We are going to do it for every click. Just click here, fill, and it will remove the watermark and it will expand the video to 16:9. You can easily export the video from here and download it from here. Now we are going to see our final video which we have created.
In the lush green meadows of Willow Woods, a grand race was about to take place. The contestants, the ever-speedy Hare, known for his lightning-fast legs, and the slow but...
Isn't it easy to create such a beautiful animated AI videos? Please subscribe, hit a like and share if you like it. See you soon in the next video. Till then, bye-bye.